This action also brought the after-skate.
Hey!
You ready?
I suppose.
Look at this friggin' idiot. Ah! No.
You're feeling.
He's gonna get me.
You got this. Go, go, go.
Oh. I hope you run into the wall. Idiot.
He's coming back to get you.
Ah! No. No. No.
Excuse me.
Bye, Patty.
Oh, bye, Christian.
Love you. Mwah.
Here we are on the way to Connor's film. Only 25 minutes late.
No. They're 25 minutes early.
Yeah.
Very good. That sign said this way is the Performing Arts Center, so it's good.
We're going to the La Buddha.
The Buddha? It's the Buddha, but French. La Buddha. That was good. That was a good one. You don't care?
Let me hear it again.
The Buddha. It's the French Buddha. La Buddha.
I just meant let me hear it in French again.
Oh. La Buddha.
He did the whole pitch all over again.
I did. I had to.
Entering La Buddha.
La Buddha.
I must go potty.
No one's stopping you.
Wiener hands, wiener
Hey!
hands. Christian peed in a bottle in the back of the truck.
I'm gonna
And he
touch
doesn't
you.
have hand
I'm gonna
sanitizer,
touch you
so
in
he
the
has
face.
wiener hands. Wiener hands.
I'm gonna make it your problem in a second here.
No!
Then watch your tone.
La Buddha.
Help!
Can you call it?
Call Connor Brost.
Isn't it Brost?
Yeah,
Calling Connor Ross.
but my phone
Oh,
thinks it's...
that's
Yes,
funny. Help. I'm gonna die. Never gonna get into the La Buddha.
La Buddha. Help me!
Are you outside La Buddha Performing Arts Center?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you.
Thank you, bye.
He sounds stressed.
He's always stressed.
Should we punch him when he opens the door?
Yeah. Oh, hey.
Hey. Hi. Don't worry, you're gonna arrive in time to see Willow. Oh, there's posters over there. Please take one, they're free. And yeah, thanks for coming out. I'd like to talk to each of you before we leave.
We need a cast photo.
Oh yeah, all right, yeah, let's get a
Cast everyone.
let's get a cast and crew photo. I know not everyone was able to make it today, but I know they're here in spirit. Hi, Christian.
Hi, Colin.
Did you bootleg this whole movie?
No, I wouldn't do that. But I did steal it.
Ah,
That was awesome.
thank you.
Yeah.
All right, and
Hey, Jillian.
if you want a bootleg copy,
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good.
I have to go work in the studio now. I gotta run.
That's awesome, though.
I have to
Oh, all right, boys, what do we think?
What do I think? What do you go first?
That's why.
No, I think the honor is on.
Yeah, you go first.
Solid film. I would say 12 out of 10, maybe 13 or 14 out of 10. I think you did a phenomenal job, Christian.
Thank you. Wow. Did not expect that.
When you were on screen, I was blushing the entire time.
Why were you blushing? Why were you blushing?
Yeah, can we flip the camera, see who the cameraman is?
Sure.
Because
Look at that.
How does it feel to be a guy who is involved in Cryptic Desire?
I feel
You will get a copy of the film.
full in my heart and in my brain, and the vibes were immaculate, and all you guys were so fun, and I'm just happy that I got to be on camera finally.
Yeah, totally.
And Dan got a haircut.
Dan got a haircut.
I got a haircut. Yeah.
Did you have the goatee? Now I'm not remembering.
Goatee? No, I didn't have a goatee.
He had this going on.
Little something, something.
He had the chin, but no, the beard was more full back then. I remember we talked about beards.
Yeah, it was much more
A lot of beard
stubble back
conversation
then.
going
Yeah,
on the set.
it's true.
Your
You're
beard,
clean shaven, I
I'm
see.
clean shaven now.
Yeah.
But I like your beard.
Thank
Looking
you.
real nice.
Thank you.
Look at, let me just get a close up.
Dan,
Hey guys, our sound sound mixer and our script doctor. How are you guys?
feeling good.
Good. It's great seeing you guys. I'm sorry, I probably should have asked permission before filming, but I will blur your faces if you need. Okay.
Just don't blur your face,
No, never. Why would I do that? I'm an attention whore.
because I really want to see it.
Hey, you'll see it, buddy.
Thanks, pal.
Okay, so Dan, what do we think?
Since I know you're not rolling, I'm just gonna come right out and
I'm
say I
definitely rolling.
hated working on this movie.
Say it
was
again?
horrible. I never want to work with Connor Brosted again. And it doesn't matter because you're not rolling this thing anyway. So
I'm definitely rolling, but that's okay. Anyway.
I have one more thing to say. I said something on the behind the scenes thing. Connor told me to say it. I think he's a great director. If you know what I'm referring to,
Yes.
then you know. But if not, then don't worry about it. But I think Connor's a phenomenal director.
He is very good.
I would work with him anytime, any project. All he needs to do is just call.
I agree.
So
Same for you. If you need anything from me, just call. Don't you dare. Oh, because I will bite
Don't
you
tempt
back.
me.
I
Don't
will
tempt
bite you back, and I won't even be shy.
stop.
Look at this guy.
you want to bite this?
I love to bite people. I bite Jackie like at least twice a day.
Really?
So it's pretty
That's a
fun.
lot to admit on camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask her about that.
Oh, she would love to tell you, I'm sure.
Okay.
Let's go get her.
Let's go.
The camera
Hello.
away, please.
Put it
I'm
away.
actually a little uncomfortable in front of
Who are you?
cameras.
But who
I get
are
a
you?
little shy.
Who is this guy?
Who is this
I don't even recognize. Do you know who that is?
guy?
He's cool, guy.
You guys, this is actually me. This is my
This
stylist.
is
the way
you.
I dress.
This is how she
This
dresses
is Lexi
outside.
Griswold.
Wow.
I thrifted this ring the same day that I thrifted this, and it matches perfectly.
That's
And I
sick.
just need to let everybody know the symbolism of that.
And this is how our mama dresses.
Yes.
Well, I
Drink
get it from
coffee,
somewhere.
love
Look at
cats,
this, look at this
fight
screen,
racism.
you know.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Get out of
Exactly.
here.
Yeah.
can't
All right, turn
even-
it around. Who's
Always
this
play
guy?
mother and daughter. Always.
We already. Yeah, let's.
Who's this guy?
I don't know.
All right, I fuck with the fit. Christian's got the Converse, cargo pants. What did he say about your necklace? Did he say it was stupid?
He said it was stupid. I'm not wearing it today. Because I got insecure. That's the last time I wore that necklace. So I hope he's happy.
Don't let fake people break your dreams.
You're right.
Dan the man, how you doing today?
Good. This is this.
You know you got a new haircut too.
I did.
So who are we wearing today?
Wearing. I guess.
Fuck, yeah.
Yeah. This is.
Post,
I'm trying to audition for Gucci to do something.
Apocalyptic punk.
Yeah.
Something that brings back the cardigan or the
Oh yeah. Got the quarter zip on.
zip. Exactly. That's
Hide your
where it's at.
girlfriends, everybody.
Oh shit.
No, my girlfriend's
you
gonna
heard it
want.
from
My
the man
girlfriend's
who
gonna
was
want to hide me because this is mine.
So this guy. This is the guy right here.
Stop, please.
Listen,
Listen, I'm listening.
that's all I have.
Did I miss it?
That's all I have for you today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
You're welcome. No, thank you for having
Pleasure
me.
to be here.
And that, like, try to get the people and equipment. Oh my God.
He's back. Go to work. Get back to work. Oh, is that your job?
That's the job.
This is pound cake. This is my mom's pound cake.
Can I have it?
You can have a piece.
That's okay. Can I have
No, actually, you can have a piece.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, ready for rating.
We should have got
10
Cam.
out of 10. Oops.
Well,
Good idea.
she made the lasagna that we used for Cryptic
Oh,
Desire.
yeah.
Can I help you?
Did you ask her what we talked about a second ago?
Oh, apparently Christian bites you at least twice a day.
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with this guy? Yeah, he'll just go and like put his mouth on my shoulder
I'm trying real hard not to do it right now.
because he only has like 2 brain cells.
Yeah,
So I try
and they're
to.
really, they go at it,
They
those
do,
two brain
yeah.
cells.
So I try to give some grace to the fact that he's not all there. See, look, he doesn't even hand. It's a hand.
All right, guys. Look, it was so great seeing all of you again. Seriously. Oh my gosh. Since we're gone now, I have one complaint. I'm hungry. Ow, 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 ow.
Wait, ready?
Whoa.
Tyler
Sashay.
taught me that
Sashay.
before she I don't know. She didn't go to jail. I thought I forgot because she's a psychopath. So I thought that she got
Whoa.
some kind of like
How can you be in 2 places at once?
comeuppance for that. You dumb cow brain. I'm busy.
I have a man brain.
2 brain cells
First of all.
bumping together. Candy bar money.
Whoa.
Wow, fancy seeing you here.
This town's only big enough for the 2 of us.
This town's only big enough for one of us.
How many of us are here right now?
See, the 2 brain cells.
I'm
he
not
can't
gonna count. I'm not gonna do that.
I'm working on my America's Next Top Model.
Show me.
Wait, let me see your catwalk. Wait, let me record it. Ready for this?
Action. Hold it together. She sucks and I hate her.
Hey!
Hey, that was really good.
Shut up!
Alright, I just think we drove through a really cute main street and there's that place that had breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I don't know, I just feel like that'd be pretty cool. You're pretty.
Thank you, you're pretty.
Go and pee. Be safe. Imagine if they made a Jake, but it was good. I fucking love this thing. This place is for real because they got this Cholula and that Cholula.
Look.
So pretty. I never have.
Me neither.
They're gonna melt Patty. We have to save him. So good. She's showing me her fancy napkin folding.
I can't remember if I'm making a napkin or...
Put it away. It's a fortune teller.
This is how we would do it.
Amazing. I'm amazed. I'm in awe.
Thank you. And then you put the stuff on those sides.
Holy crap. Are you ready for pizza?
Yes, please.
Guess what, camera? Our pizza sucked.
It really sucked.
I had much higher hopes because it looked like a cool, like mom and pop place, but it was like fast food pizza.
It was so slimy. I had to use a fork and knife, and then on my second piece, I decided to give up. It reminded me of Seasons a little. I don't
Yeah.
really like Seasons pizza, but Steve's for some reason is really
Their
impressive.
Caesar bites are fucking killer. So good.
But what is a Caesar bite?
It's a freaking boneless wing, dude. Hurry up, Tubby. I have to get over.
Well, here's this guy.
What guy?
This guy.
Whoa. Mint review. You see?
Yeah, wow.
These mints, what should we call these?
Mints. What do you mean? They already have a name.
They're a different kind of mint
These,
than the lifesavers that they have at church.
these are the squishy mints, because they just dissolve right away. They're not hard.
They don't dissolve right away.
Pillow mints.
Pillow mints is good. That's good. I was thinking like puffy, creamy mint.
That's
But
a long name for a mint. No one's gonna buy it.
Yeah. But your name is better. Yes, they are pillow mints. They are hardish on the outside and creamy on the inside, and they're almost chalky, but not quite.
Chalky, yes.
Yeah. And these are my least favorite kind of mints. However, I will eat mints. I am fine with it, and I have one in my mouth right now. And when I'm done with the one that's in my mouth right now, this one will probably go in my mouth.
You didn't bite it?
No, I'm sucking on it.
These are bite mints.
Yeah, after you suck.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.